Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am sharing my entry number 2 that I received in my Anything Goes paper crafting challenge, and I will link that video up above. There's still plenty of time for you to join in. Today I received a package from Diane over at Crafty with Fury, and thank you so much for joining in on my challenge. The only thing I've done is cut the envelope open, and this is what's inside. Look at how beautiful this packaging is. This is a really nice way to display Happy Mail. Oh wow, look at how pretty this is. Set that to the side and just take a look at how beautiful these details are. It looks like she's made some handmade flowers, and she has them glittered and maybe stickled with these sweet butterflies, some Tim Holtz words. And this is a really nice chipboard back, and she's made this really cute pocket. How sweet. And look at all this beautiful eyelash trim. And let's dig in. Look at how beautiful that is. So nicely done. I love vintage. Oh, and so she has shared these really, oh, these are the, you know what, I did take a peek at her video, and these are her acetate bows. Girl, I don't know how you got these to stick. Yeah, these are so hard to work with, but look at how beautiful they are. They will go with anything because they're clear. So nice. I don't know if you can actually see those on camera, but yes, they're acetate bows. Thank you so much. I know how hard these are to make, so thank you for those. And then we have this ATC card. Look at how beautiful that is. So much detail and sparkle. Beautifully done. And like I said, her channel is Crafting with Fury, and I will link that down below. Beautiful ATC card. And then in here she has also shared some beautiful acrylic, looks like some flowers and some, oh this is neat. This is a trim piece of these white flowers, very nice. And then also some of these white blings, these pearly blings. Very nice. Diane, thank you so much for entering my challenge. Your entry is beautifully done, beautifully crafted. I appreciate your support so much, and I want to make sure that I get your information entered. Here's my little roll of tickets and 2 entries, because I do know that you you did a VR, and of course one for your project. Let's see, I thought I brought over a pen, but I don't see it, so I'm just going to write it out here. Okay, there we go. And so Diane, here are your 2 entries into the prize giveaway, and my son sent me some beautiful flowers for Mother's Day, and I'm temporarily repurposing the jar, and I have my first entry tickets already in there, and Diane, I'm entering yours in here as well. All right guys, well there's plenty of time to still enter my challenge, and I hope that you will join in on the fun. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, and I will link Diane's channel down below. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.